All right, we're going to install the 2-gang universal backplate. Got 2 single poles here. I already have my ground jumpers installed and my neutral jumpers installed. So I'll go ahead and start with the ground on the right side. And then we're going to do our neutral. And then we're going to do our hot. Do our load. And go to our second switch, do our neutral pigtail, or excuse me, our ground pigtail. And we'll do our neutral. These guys over here. Got our hot common. We got our load. Go ahead and fold the wires in. Get the box into the wall. And finally, we'll snap on our faceplate. We gotta loosen the screws just a little bit and slide it over to the right. Because this switch bank is right up against the trim. There we go. Snap on our faceplate, we're good to go. Oh, no. So the problem with this one, Amy, is this switch is right up against the trim.
Oh, like the door trim?
So you can't get the faceplate on unless the back plate is really perfectly situated. But maybe we can edit around it. Because it does fit. There we go. We'll hold it to the side there. And there we go.